Hello everyone. We're going to discuss now this course, FLM2, and the description of this is character formation, nationalism, and patriotism. This is the part one of the lecture of this course, specifically only for this course. And before we're going to dig in those specific topics of this subject or this course, we're going to define first what is nationalism and what is patriotism. Are they often interchangeably used kasi, no? Okay, so we're going to define later. But before that, of course, we're going to uh, explain first what is a nation. Okay, so let us define first what is nation. Ano ba si nation? Nation is a stable community of people formed on the basis of a common language, territory, history, ethnicity, or psychological makeup that is manifested in a common culture. Ano ba yung what do you mean by language? What is territory? What is history? Nation, again, this is a group of people who are united by common characteristics. Is, for example, common language, no? Shared sense, they have shared sense of identity. And these characteristics of a nations, it help people feel that they belong to the same community. No, even if they live in different places, but they still have this feeling that they belong to the same community because of this mga kung ano yung mga common nila, no? So for example, language. Ano ba, what is language? Language is a structured system of communication. Like, this is grammar and vocabulary. Somehow it conveys a conversation, a meaning, no? So it helps people. When you say, there is a shared language or there is a common language, this language, it helps people communicate, no? It helps people share their ideas, their traditions, and even their values. Katulad natin, we Filipinos, we speak Filipino, and then at the same time we speak English, no, which somehow this language, this common language, which is Filipino and English, syempre, we are being colonized before by the Americans. So magaling mag-English ang mga Filipino, no? It somehow it help unite people in from different regions of the country. Yung iba, marami kasi tayong mga iba't ibang lingwahe, no, dito sa in our country. So, yung para mas maintindihan, no, ini-English na lang natin, no? Kasi lahat naman ng mga Pilipino, no, magagaling mag-English. Okay, another is another territory. We shared common territory. A nation rather, shared common territory. Okay, again, we're talking about nation in general, no? Parang inano ko lang yung pagka Filipino citizen natin, right? Okay, common territory. There is a nation should have a common territory. What is territory? It is a geographic area belonging to or under the jurisdiction of a governmental authority that is defined by Merriam-Webster. No, a nation is often associated with a particular geographic area or a homeland where the people live or where people live. No, okay. So, say for example, no, the Philippines. This is the homeland of the Filipino nation. This is our territory. Another mix up of a nation, not just language, not just territory, but as well history. What is history? The systematic study of the past. Past. Kahit past pala, ano, may need siyang i-study. Okay. So that's history nga eh. Yeah, history is the systematic study of the past that is focusing primarily on the human past. Okay? So, ano, a nation, meron din silang shared or common history. Okay? People in a nation, they usually share important historical experience. Of course, yan yung nagsishape ng identity ng isang nation. Okay? Yung common history. Okay? Katulad natin, we are Filipino citizens. So, ano ba yung common history natin? We share same history of colonization. Oh, we share that. The struggle, yung kung hindi nyo hindi nyo nakakalimutan yung ginawa ng ating mga heroes before we get this independence, no? Okay, the struggle for independence and as well as nation building, no? We share it as a Filipino. Okay, another is ethnicity. Okay, ethnicity, ano ba yung ethnicity or mga ethnic group? Okay, a group of humans who identify with each other on the basis of perceived shared attributes that distinguish them from other groups. Okay, si nation daw is meron siyang common ethnicity. Okay, merong common ethnicity si nation. Okay, ano ba yung ethnicity, ma'am? When you say ethnicity, it refers to shared ancestry. Merong shared ancestry, shared traditions, customs, and mga cultural heritage. Say, for example, dito sa Pilipinas, we have different ethnic groups. Okay, we share many cultural values, we share many traditions, no, that somehow ito yung nagko-contribute natin as na meron tayong tinatawag na Filipino identity. Ano ba yung mga example, ma'am, ng mga cultural values and traditions? So cultural values and traditions that contribute somehow sa ating sa ating pagka Pilipino, or we call it Filipino identity. Okay, so isa na dito yung ito, bayanihan. No? These are just some of those cultural values and traditions, okay, that contribute to the Filipino identity. O bayanihan, alam niyo yung bayanihan. Okay, bayanihan, what is that? The spirit of community cooperation, di ba? We help one another without expecting anything in return, okay? O papakakainin ka lang or painumin, no? O, sa mga bukid-bukid, no? O, alam niyo yan, tuba, no? Okay, bayanihan. So, yung mga magkakapitbahay, the neighborhood, they're working together, no, to help this family that is affected by it could be any calamities like ano ba yung recent na mga typhoon, may bayanihan, okay? There is helping on one another without expecting something in return. Okay? Another, respect for elders. So another na mga cultural values, mga culture traditions that na masasabi na talaga natin na, oy, kahit saang lupalop ka pa ng mundo, okay, we can say that, you are a Filipino because of your identity. You know? Diba? Makita sa to, no? Okay, respectful for elders. Okay, how do we show respect for elders? Okay, anong ginagawa natin? Nagmamano, no? Pagmamano and the use of po, no? The po and opo. I don't know if ginagawa niyo pa rin yan ngayon, no? Basta ako, ginagawa ko pa rin yan, no? Okay, po and opo. Okay, the younger family members take the elder's hand, no? And they place it in the forehead, no? Somehow that is a sign of respect. That is how we show respect for our elders, no? Okay, not just family members, no? Yung iba kahit hindi, because we do it as a sign of respect. Okay, another is strong family ties. Okay, so sobrang strong, kahit na yung edad 30 na, lagpas 30 na, andun pa rin nakatira sa bahay ng parents, no? Okay, so extended family gatherings, no? May ganung mga happenings tayong mga Filipino. That is our national identity. That is our Filipino identity, no? Mga fiesta, nagsasama-sama, or even yung mga seasons, no? Na Christmas, kung yung iba yung sa mga Catholic, no? Yung iba hindi naman nagse-celebrate ng Christmas katulad ko. Okay, another special occasions. Okay? Another is, ito talaga, hospitality. This is the most famous traits of the Filipino as being so hospitable, no? We are very welcoming with our guests, no? Kahit na yung mga hindi pa natin nagagamit, yung bisita lang yung nakakagamit. Even us, no? Hindi pwedeng gumalaw doon, no? Parang yun yung protocol ng bahay, no? Okay, welcome our guests warmly. We offer food. Okay, we offer so much comfort. We offer refreshments, no? Kahit na short notice, no? Parang aligaga agad tayo, no? Okay, and then another is resilience. So, isa pa to sa mga uh, as we call them, mga example ng mga cultural traditions, values, no, again, that somehow contribute to the Filipino identity. Okay, as being resilient. Okay, so ano bang halimbawa nito? Kahit na naapektuhan na ng mga, di ba maraming mga memes na nakikita natin, no? It's not just memes, no? Ito talaga nangyayari. Identity talaga natin. Whenever we face difficulties in life, merong mga natural disasters, typhoon, earthquake, o kahit ano pang mga sakuna, mga natural disasters, no? Uh, we rebuild our homes that fast, no? Okay? With leaves after, parang walang nangyari, no? Uh, and we even have smile on our face, no? Kahit na we are experiencing that one, no? Okay, and then fiesta celebrations. Yung nagsi-celebrate ng fiesta kasi karamihan sa mga what's this, dito sa Pilipinas ng mga Catholic, no? Catholic, so nagse-celebrate talaga ng fiesta. Okay, the communities, they celebrate their patron saint feast day, nagpa-parade, no? May food sharing, may cultural activities, no? Sa mga nagse-celebrate, no? Ng ganito. Sa, dito kasi sa Pilipinas, ang dami-dami nating religion, no? So, yung iba hindi nagse-celebrate. Okay, next is, pero uh, halos lahat, no? Okay, majority rather of the members, no, or of the citizen rather is mga Catholic. Okay, next is religious faith. Sobra nating relihiyoso. Filipinos are religious. That is one. Isa yan sa mga national identity natin or Filipino identity. Okay, we participate different activities, anything related to church, no, like mga Holy Week, may mga Holy Week for Roman Catholic, mga simbang gabi and other religious celebrations. Yung ibang mga churches din, no, merong ganun. Iba lang yung kanilang mga names, no. Okay, kasi iba't ibang church may sariling doctrines, no, na pinaniwalaan. And then pakikisama. Okay, pakikisama. What is this pakikisama? Getting along with others. Okay? We maintain harmonious relationship. Magaling tayong makisama kahit na hindi natin gusto, no, yung tao. Syempre, makikisama pa rin tayo. Unlike in the other, no, nation, which is, ang identity din nila na alam natin, kasi nakikita sa actions nila, no, is that wala silang pakialam. If they don't like you, then they will say it straight to your face, or they don't even recognize you, or they didn't even talk to you. Unlike us, na kahit hindi natin gusto, nakikipagsalamuha pa rin tayo, nakikisama. That's called pakikisama, no? Okay. Hindi sa lahat ng panahon na yung feelings mo talaga, yun yung gagamitin mo all throughout, no? Dapat magaling kang meron talagang pakikisama na isa sa mga national identity talaga nating mga Filipino. Okay, another is utang na loob, no? What's utang na loob? Okay, the debt of gratitude. We remember, we repeat the kindness that someone is giving us. Hindi natin nakakalimutan yon. Kunyari may nagawang maganda yan sa'yo, may nagawang mabuti. Okay, somehow, we were not going to pay that one financially, paid financially, but in the near future hindi natin nakakalimutan 'yun. Kasi darating ang panahon tayo naman yung uh, in return, no, we're going to return the favor. Parang ganun, no? We remember, we repeat the kindness that someone who provided us, who helped us during difficult times. Yan talaga yung traits ng Pinoy. Okay, another is love of countries. Of course, we love our country. Okay, so love of country, what does it mean? We sing our Philippine national anthem. We respect it because we participate, no? We promote national development. Okay, yung mga values, these values, this tradition, it help shape what it means to be a Filipino. Because Philippine is a nation, no? And this is one of the characteristics of a nation with that ano yun, mayroong common ethnicity, no? And this is the ethnicity, the culture, the values that we have. Okay? It strengthens the sense of national identity among the citizens of a specific nation. Yung ibang mga nation din is meron din silang mga different na mga ganito, mga bayanihan. Hindi lang siguro bayanihan. Meron din silang traits na kung saan sikat din sila sa ganyan. Yan din yung national identity nila. Again, when we say nation, there is common language, there is the shared common language, the shared common territory, the shared common history, and this shared common ethnicity, okay, or psychological makeup. Merong common psychological makeup. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng common psychological makeup? It refers to shared beliefs, no, shared values, shared attitude and feelings that somehow it unites people. Okay? Katulad ng mga nabanggit natin a while ago. Okay? In a common culture. Okay? Mayroong common culture kasi lahat nagse-celebrate. Pag ganyang event, for example, ano ba yung mga event, mga fiesta, o hindi na kailangan isa-isahin pa. Lahat sa buong Pilipinas or let's say buong barangay nyo, I'm not so familiar with fiesta na buong barangay nagse-celebrate or buong town or buong Pilipinas, I don't know. O lahat, no? Pero nakikita natin no, pag may fiesta, lahat nagse-celebrate, no? Okay, there is a common culture. Okay, so to sum it all up, class, okay, nation is what? Nation is more than just a group of people that is living in the same place. It is much more than that. No, it is a community that is bound together, no? Merong shared identity, merong shared culture, merong shared history and values. Again, these common characteristics, it creates a sense of belonging. It creates a sense of unity among the members of the nation, whatever nation you are in. Okay? Now, syempre, Pilipinas eh. In the Philippine context, no, despite the difference in or the differences in language, the difference in ethnicity or regional tradition, may mga regional traditions eh. Okay? So we Filipinos are considered one nation because of that shared common history, culture, and commitment to our country's welfare, no, and development. Okay? So that is a nation. Ha? I hope that is clear to you. Okay, now let's going to, kasi yung iba, akala nila same lang yung nation at saka yung state. Okay? So let's differentiate. Ano ba kaibahan ng nation at ng state? Okay, ito lang yung tandaan nyo, no? Saan ba to? Okay, when you say nation, yun na yun, group of people united by a common culture. Okay? Common culture. I'm not used to this. Okay, common culture, language, history, and identity. While the state is a politically organized territory with uh, this one, the nation, culture, language, history, the state concerned with the government. Okay, define borders. It talks about territory as well, and sovereignty. There is sovereignty. A nation is a group of people with a common language, history, culture, usually a geographic territory. While the state, it is an association of people, no, that is characterized by formal institutions of a government. Meron talagang formal institutions of government. No? May batas, no? May permanent territorial boundaries. Merong sovereignty. Ang sinabi natin sovereignty, merong political independence. Okay? Pag sinabi nating nation class, huwag malito, it refers to people with a shared identity. Again, people with shared identity. While the state, it refers to political entity. Okay? Political and legal entity with governing authority. Okay? Merong shared merong shared entity or shared identity. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng shared identity? What does it mean when you say shared identity? Meaning, people see themselves as belonging, no, to the same group, no, because they have common characteristics, no, they have common experiences, they have common values. Okay, again, state is something political, state is something political, while the nation, okay, it is, huwag niyong kalimutan na merong shared identity. Anong ulit ibig sabihin ng shared identity? It means people, they see themselves as belonging to, o yung common na pinag-usapan natin a while ago, may mga common, no? Same group, they have common characteristics, values, o lahat yun. Eh, huwag kalimutan, no? Language, no? We speak the same, we as a Filipino, we speak the same language, we speak the same, meron tayong mga dialect, no? History and some ito, marami pa no, yung mga nabanggit. So even if Filipinos, no, they live abroad, they can still belong to the Filipino nation, They can still belong to the Filipino nation. Why? Because they continue to identify themselves as Filipinos. Ay, kahit na nandun sila, they are still considered as, okay, they belong to the Filipino nation because they identify themselves as Filipinos. Okay? When we say shared identity, yung characteristic ng nation, no? Who we are as a people. Who are you as a people? I am a citizen of the Republic of the Philippines. These are my traits. No? Okay, well, the state, it may comprise, um, by the way, klasa, the state, you take note the state, it may comprise one or more nations. No? It may comprise one or more nation, yung mga katulad doon sa mga Roman Empire, no? Austria, Hungary, yung mga ganun, no? Okay, and a nation may be represented in or ruled by one or more. Okay, usually contiguous or states ba? One or more states. Okay? So, a state is comprising or dominating by a single nation. Eh, tinatawag nating, meron tayong tinatawag na nation state, Nandito ba? Wala pala. Okay. Meron tayong tinatawag, wala pa dyan na, hindi ko na include. Take note the word nation dash state. Ano ba yung nation state? Tayo, Philippines is a nation state. Bakit? It is a state comprising or dominated by a single nation. Okay, so now let's continue our discussion. Let's discuss now the difference between nationalism and patriotism. Isa-isahin natin, ano ba si nationalism? Nationalism is defined as the belief that the nation is the central principle of political organization. Okay, what does it mean? It means that when you say nationalism, it means that the interest, not the welfare, the identity and the unity of the nation should come first. Okay, should come first in political decisions, should come first in governmental actions. Okay, so the people who believe in nationalism, they think that a nation should have the right to govern itself. Okay, the right to protect its culture, to determine its own future, not intervened by the foreigner, no, or by the alien. Tayo ang dapat mamuno, no, sa sarili nating bansa. Tayo ang dapat may karapatan sa sarili nating bansa, no? We determine our own future, not the Hague, charot. Okay? Not the ICC. Okay, kidding. Okay, and determine its own future, no, without we determine our own future without unnecessary control from the outside powers, no? If i-trace natin ang Philippine history, no, di ba? Filipinos, they strive hard, yung um, mga nakaraang yung mga heroes natin, no? They strive hard for the independence kasi ayaw natin na ma-ruled by a foreign power. Okay? So when we say nationalism, it means the devotions of love to one's country. Our devotion to our country, which is the Philippines. Okay? Nationalism means to give more importance to unity by way of cultural background, no, including language, including uh, heritage. No, it implies the person that his country, pag sinabi nating nationalistic ang person, no, yung country mo, it implies that the person, his country is the most superior among other country. Again, paano mo masabing you are nationalistic? Okay, paano papasok si nationalism? You think that your country is the most superior among other, and you will continue defending your country no matter what. That is in nationalistic traits of a person. Okay, that is nationalism. Okay, so kung another is nationalism is being defined by Mariam as an ideology, no, ideology that elevates one nation or nationality above all others. So same lang, iba't iba man yung mga specific na terms, no? Pero same lang din, no? So, above all others. Okay, then the academics, they define nationalism as well as political principle. Okay, political principle that holds a political principle that holds that the nation and state should be congruent, no? According to Liza Whedon, no? The nationalist ideology, he presumes that the people and the state are congruent. Ano ibig sabihin ng congruent? She defines nationalism this way. Okay? It should be congruent daw yung nation at saka yung state. Okay? Nation meaning the people. The state, pag sinabing the state, it is the government. Again ha, pag ma-mention natin yung nation ha, papasok agad sa isip natin. Say nation, it is the people. We say the state, it is the government. O dapat yung nation at yung state should match. O should be congruent. Diba yung ibig sabihin ng congruent? Dapat mag-match or they should belong together. Okay? In nationalism, the people who share a common identity, mga culture, history, and tradition should have their own government that represents them. Okay? So, kaya she defined rather, nationalism should be congruent. The people who make up the nation should be governed by a state that represents them and reflects their identity, their interest, their aspiration. Yan yung tandaan nyo. Okay? So, nationalism assumes that the government represents the people, no? The state interests are the people's interests. The citizens see the state as their own political expression. It is what it is because of what we want, okay, as a member of this nation. Okay? So, nationalism is the belief that a people who share a common identity should have a government and state of their own that represent and serves them. Okay? Take note ha. O, meron pa. Nationalism, another definition. The individuals, it is an ideology based on the premise that the individual's loyalty, okay, the individual's loyalty and devotions to the nation state surpass. O, pag surpass, na lagpasan pa, no? Other individual or group interest. Again, pag sinabi nating nation state ha, ang ibig sabihin ng nation state, a country where the people and the government are united. Okay. Ano ba ibig sabihin ito? The individual's loyalty and devotion to the nation state surpass other. Okay, it means that a person's places the interest of the nation and country above personal interest or the interest of the smaller groups. Okay? A nationalist believes that the welfare, the unity, the progress of the nations are more important. Okay? More important. Okay? More important to what? Than personal gain or the interest of particular family or particular organization or it could be social group. Okay? Mas madaling maintindihan, no? Nationalism. Okay? Tingin natin superior tayo than other country. Okay? Tingin natin we are the best among the best, no? Well, when we say patriotism, it is just simply the feeling of love, devotion, and a sense of attachment to one's country or state. Okay? It is just simply when you say patriotism, no, it is just simply a devotion to one's country. No other reason, for no other reason than being a citizens of that country. It is a common virtue. It pertains to the law for the nation, with more emphasis, of course, on values and beliefs. Okay, pag sinabi natin patriotism, ibig sabihin means there is loving, no? There is respecting, and we are being loyal to our country. Simply because, bakit ka loyal sa country mo? Because this is my country. Okay? That is the reason of you being a patriotic or patriotism. Okay? Same like, bakit ka loyal sa girlfriend mo or sa boyfriend mo? Siyempre, because that is my girlfriend, that is my boyfriend. I am loyal. Because of that reason, I should be loyal. Because I belong to this country, because this is my country, I am loyal. Okay? I respect this country. Okay? So, that's patriotism. Okay? A patriotic person does not need a personal reward or benefit to love their country. Okay? Their devotion, it comes from a sense of pride and responsibility as a citizen of the country. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin patriotic ka, paano mo masasabing you are patriotic? Okay? You are ready to make sacrifice for your country. Ganyan ka-deep yung love mo sa country mo, no? When you being a patriotic, katulad ng ginawa ni si Rizal, no? Okay? He is willing to uh, sacrifice everything. Nagsulat siya nagsulat ng mga Elfeli, kung ano-ano pa man, no? Just to expose yung mga kabalastugang ginawa ng mga friars or ng mga uh, alien, no? Ng mga foreigner. Okay? Kaya in return, nahamak siya. Okay? So, that is patriotism. Okay? He sacrificed himself for his country. Okay? When you say you are a patriotic, you will never lead selfishly. Hindi ka selfish. Okay? Hindi ka selfish. You will never lead selfishly for yourself alone. In the modern patriotism, yung mga example, yung ating members of the armed forces of the Philippines, for instance, no, they sacrifice their life because sila kasi yung prone sa ganyan, kasi they're in touch with external services, no? Okay, pag may mga national emergency, sila yon. Okay, internal lang naman yung ating PNP under the DILG. Okay, so for an instance, no, the soldier, okay, or yung members ng ating mga armed forces, no, they make supreme sacrifices for their life, no, for the sake of their country. Okay, so patriotism traditionally involves a civic spirit and a willingness to sacrifice for the common liberty of a political community. Actually, class, no, nationalism and patriotism, they're often used interchangeably. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng interchangeably? Meaning one for the other. But actually, may kaibahan talaga, no? There is a wide distinction, no, between nationalism and patriotism. Okay? Again, yung sinabi natin a while ago, nationalism means love, care, preservation, patronage of one's native land. Lahat, no? Lahat na ng kung anong nasa country mo. Everything in it in the country. Birth of a national, whether it be Filipino or otherwise. Okay? Pag sinabi natin Filipino nationalist ka, example na lang natin yung pagka-Filipino natin, ha? Okay? But in general, same thought. Example natin kasi we live in the Philippines, no? Okay, so, and we are Filipino citizens. When can you say that you are a Filipino nationalist? Okay? When you say you are a Filipino nationalist, uh, it implies a heartfelt dedication for the love, for the care, for the preservation of the Philippines. Lahat, lahat that is being identified with the Philippine territory. Okay, minahal natin yan, no? We are loyal, we preserve, Okay, the inhabitants, the Philippine sovereignty, the government of or whatever nations you are in. Okay? Pag sinabi nating patriotic ka, okay? Actually, in other words, no, to be patriotic is to be nationalistic. Again, in other words, to be patriotic is to be nationalistic. Conversely, one cannot be patriotic without being nationalistic. And ibig sabihin yan, it means that when a person truly love and is devoted to their country, that is patriotism, they will also care about the nation's welfare. They will also care about the unity, the independence, and development. And that is nationalism. Okay? Likewise, a person who is patriotic usually has some degree of nationalist feeling because they want what is best for their nation. So therefore, patriotism and nationalism are inseparable because both involve loyalty and commitment to the nation. Eto lang tandaan nyo. The nationalists, they hate the people of other nations. A patriotic person is broad-minded. No, he is tolerant. He is a citizen of the world. While the nationalists, they may be narrow-minded and they hate all those who are not his countrymen. Kita niyo yung difference, no? Okay? Take note, ha? I hope malinaw. They are related but they are different, no? The patriotism, old idea yan, no? This is an old idea. It means love, no? Loyalty and commitment to one's country and its common good. So it focuses more on caring for the nation and respecting its laws. No, yung nationalism, that is more modern idea. Nagsimula ng 18th century. It emphasized strong loyalty to the nation state. It often placing national interests above personal or group interests. Again, civic duty, no, yung patriotism. Okay, pag sinabi nating civic duty, civic sense of love for one's country, it includes you respect laws, commitment to the common good. You're willing to sacrifice for the nation's freedom. It is more like focuses on political responsibility, no? While the nationalism, uh, on the other hand, is a stronger emotional and cultural attachment to one's nation. It emphasizes shared identity, no? Yung mga nabanggit natin kanina, mga culture, history, and language. It often supports the idea of a separate and independent nation. And sometimes it can lead to the belief that one's nation is, again, superior to the others. Ha? Tandaan niyo yan. Okay. Pag sinabi nating patriotic, para bagang sinabi mo na, I love my country. Okay? I just love my country because I live in this country, because I am a Filipino citizen and this is my country. That's why I love my country. I'm willing to do everything. I'm willing to sacrifice myself for the love of country. I will not live selfishly, okay? Because I love my country. Okay, that's you being a patriotic. Okay. Yung mga ginawa mo, yung mga sinabi mong, I love my country, I sacrifice for my country, I will never be selfish for my country. So, while you are uttering this word, or while sinasabuhay mo yung mga ganong traits mo ng pagka-Filipino, hindi ibig sabihin na hate mo na yung other nation. Hindi ibig sabihin na ayaw mo na sa ibang nation. I-discriminate mo na sila. You will think that you are superior. No, okay? That is not the character of a patriotic person. But you are just simply loving your country. You're willing to sacrifice, no, for your country. Okay. When we say nationalistic, okay, when can we say that the person is nationalistic? I am the only one. Parang ganon. My country, you think this way. My country, my culture are the best in the world. We have we have the best product, no? Parang ganon, nindot to diri sa Pilipinas. Mas lami gid ilang mga yun ani nga nilutuan diri. Lami gid among nilutuan. Unsa man ang naadra sa inyo nga wala man ay mga lami, puro man ang mga MSD or unsa. Nami mga nilat-an rin nga mga unsa pa na mga pagi diha unsa pa. No, parang ganon. Okay? My culture, my country are the best in the world. Okay, parang ganun mag-isip ang nationalistic. Okay, other countries and culture suck. No, we don't want we don't want their culture or whatsoever, no? Okay, our values is the best, no? Our culture is the best. We don't want their and ours values mix ever. No, parang ganon. Ayaw naming mahaluan ng cultures, ng values ng mga dayuhan. Uh, ganyan yung nationalistic. Okay? So I hope you get no the difference of patriotic and character of a nationalistic person. Okay, so for assessment, you answer this one.